Welcome to The Truth About Homeopathy, Healing from the Roots. My name is DrAbhayPatil. If you've tried everything, and your reports are normal, but you still feel unwell, let's explore why. Does any of this sound familiar? You feel terrible every day despite normal reports, or conventional medicines are not curing your condition. If you or your family feel this way, homeopathy is for you. How does homeopathy work? It treats the patient, not just the disease, by removing the root cause. It stimulates your own immunity and is safe for everyone, from newborns to cancer patients, with no toxins or side effects. Let's bust some common myths. Myth 1. Homeopathy has steroids. Fact: it's 100% false. Remedies are ultra-diluted, from natural sources, with zero side effects. Myth 2. Not safe during pregnancy. Fact: it's completely safe and gently supports mother and baby. Myth 3. Cannot give to newborns. Fact: it is gentle enough for one-day-old infants. If you tried homeopathy once and it didn't work, here's why. It was likely a wrong remedy, wrong potency, or no follow-up. Homeopathy requires deep case-taking and precision. We handle all three with precision at Ashwini Homeopathy. Can homeopathy handle serious and chronic illnesses? Yes, including conditions allopathy manages but cannot cure, such as diabetes, cancer support, autoimmune diseases, thyroid and hormonal issues, fertility and PCOD, and chronic skin conditions. Here is a real story about a terminal cancer patient. Constitutional homeopathic treatment focused on quality of life, managing pain, and maintaining dignity. The patient passed peacefully without suffering. Homeopathy cannot reverse terminal disease, but can remove suffering and restore dignity. Another real story is about fertility and astro-homeopathy. Couples unable to conceive, despite normal investigations, conceived naturally after constitutional homeopathic treatment combined with KP astrology chart analysis. Homeopathy prepares the body, and astrology identifies the moment, achieving what years of treatment could not. Why do we ask so many questions? Because you are unique. Two people with the same diagnosis need completely different remedies. We ask about your mind and emotions, physical generals, and complete constitution, as all of it points to your cure. Astro-homeopathy is our unique science. What if your birth chart could tell us which medicine will work for you before we even begin? We are not astrologers. Astrology is a diagnostic tool to understand your true nature, map disease predispositions, and identify fertile windows. Why is Ashwini Homeopathy different? We provide constitutional treatment, combining classical master's principles with modern science. We are pioneers of astro-homeopathy for precision prescribing. We are 3 doctors, 1 family, with 1 mission. Complete family care under one roof with 30 years of clinical excellence. Your next step. If today resonated with you, even a little, we would love to listen. WhatsApp us to discuss your case. It is free to discuss, with no obligation. Thank you for joining this video. Every question you ask could change your health journey.